You felt it, didn't you? The power.
Hail King Vortigern!
Why is the water dropped?
There are rumors. The legend of the sword. Of a king other than yourself.
Find him. I know your story. What kind of a man would you become had you inherited your father's kingdom instead of being raised in a brothel? What gave you such drive? You felt it, didn't you? The power.
It was Vortigern who murdered your father. But what you didn't account for is what you can do with this sword.
You need to be careful. His power is increasing.
When people fear you, it is the most intoxicating sensation a man can possess.
You're starting to mean something. You're no longer a myth.
I'm gonna kill him.
Put him on his knees! You wanted the prophecy? Raise that sword! Show the people the power of Excalibur!
You're playing with fire.
But doesn't it make the palace burn well?